Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Twitter lists. Twitter lists are a powerful, yet often underutilized, feature that can transform your social media experience. They allow you to curate your feed, focusing on specific topics or groups of people without the noise of your main timeline. Imagine having a dedicated feed just for industry news or updates from your closest friends. This simple method helps you stay informed and engaged with the content that matters most to you, making your time on the platform much more efficient and enjoyable. Creating your first Twitter list is straightforward. First, navigate to the List section from your main menu, typically found by tapping your profile icon. Look for the Create New List icon, which often appears as a plus sign. You'll then be prompted to give your list a unique name and a brief description, perhaps 25 words or less. Finally, decide if your list will be public, visible to anyone, or private, accessible only to you. This choice is crucial for managing your content and privacy. Once your list is created, adding members is the next step. You can easily add accounts directly from their profile page. Simply tap the three-dot menu, usually located near their profile picture, and select Add or Remove from Lists. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to check the box next to the list you wish to add them to. You can also add multiple accounts during the initial list creation process, saving you time. This flexibility ensures your lists are always up to date and relevant. Using and managing your Twitter lists is incredibly simple. To view a list, just go back to the List section from your menu and tap on the list's name. This will open a custom timeline showing only tweets from the accounts you've added. You can edit list details, like its name or description, or remove members at any time. Furthermore, you can follow public lists created by other users, instantly gaining access to their curated content. This expands your reach and keeps your feed focused.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.